that is
लाख
plus
रुपए की लोडिंग
Exactly.
भी आपको इस BM पर मिलती है एंड इट्स अ सिंगल ओनर,
it's a single owner car. जितने भी SUV कार्स है उन सबसे फास्टेस्ट ये है. Goes 0 to 100 in 5 seconds.
ये Lamborghini Urus, fastest, powerful, muscular look, amazing
Yeah.
road presence.
It has got a loading of 30 lakhs.
30 lakhs, 30 लाख क्या
It has got a complete body kit of M5.
तो गाइस आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है एक और जबरदस्त लग्जरी एपिसोड में। एक और नया दिन और एक और नया व्लॉग आपके लिए लेके आए हैं और डीलरशिप रहेगी यू ड्राइव मी क्रेजी, जहां पर आपको सीरियसली क्रेजी कार्स मिलती हैं। वो आपको पता लगेगा आज की इस वीडियो में, जब आपको पूरी गाड़ियां दिखाएंगे, पूरा शोरूम दिखाएंगे और दिखाएंगे कि क्या कुछ कलेक्शन आपको मिलता है इस डीलरशिप से। हमारे साथ होंगे शोएब भाई। कैसे भाई?
हाय अरुण भाई, कैसे हो आप?
ऑल गुड ऑल गुड। तो शोएब भाई, यू ड्राइव मी क्रेजी पे हम पहले भी आ चुके हैं बट आपसे नहीं मिले हैं, तो ये हमारा शोएब भाई के साथ फर्स्ट व्लॉग होने वाला है। हमारी ऑडियंस जानना चाहेगी कि यू ड्राइव मी क्रेजी किन चीज़ों में डील करता है, किस सेगमेंट में डील करता है और किस तरह की कार्स ऑफर करता है।
मोस्टली यू वुड सी दैट, आपने भी खुद देखा होगा, बाहर की इन्वेंट्री, अंदर की इन्वेंट्री, वी हैव गॉट ईच एंड एवरी कार फॉर ईच एंड एवरी सेगमेंट। यू वुड सी दैट वी हैव गॉट कार्स दैट आर फॉर लो सेगमेंट। हमारे पास गाड़ियाँ है जो मिड रेंज की है, हमारे पास अल्ट्रा लग्जरी गाड़ियाँ भी है, एक आपके सामने ही खड़ी है। हर सेगमेंट में आपको गाड़ी मिल जाएगी। द प्राइस पॉइंट फॉर दिस कार्स वुड स्टार्ट समवेयर अराउंड एट 20 lakhs. We have cars for 20 lakhs as well, and that goes up to 5 CR.
No limit.
So we have no limit over here, and it totally depends on the client. If we get a lot of clients, totally expecting as much clients we get it,
बिल्कुल
we get the cars for like that.
सो गाइज, आज के इस व्लॉग में आपके लिए क्या क्या गाड़ियां होने वाली हैं आप सीरियसली इमेजिन भी नहीं कर पाएंगे। हम आपको वो गाड़ियां भी दिखाएंगे जो शायद वन एंड ओनली
बहुत रेयर है
होने वाली हैं,
बहुत रेयर है मार्केट।
बिल्कुल। तो इस डीलरशिप में आज आपको बहुत कुछ अमेजिंग दिखने वाला है। यूजुअली आपने सिर्फ इसी जो जितना एरिया यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं, यूजुअली आपने हमेशा इसी एरिया में हमारे व्लॉग देखे होंगे, बट आज आपको इनका जो दूसरा स्पेस है वहाँ पर भी दिखाएंगे और दिखाएंगे कि क्या कुछ कलेक्शन आज के इस व्लॉग में। आइए शोएब भाई, इधर आ जाइए,
बिल्कुल,
क्योंकि आपकी ज़रूरत हमें पड़ेगी वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने के लिए। तो आज के इस अमेजिंग व्लॉग को स्टार्ट करते हैं
इस अमेजिंग गाड़ी से।
एग्जैक्टली भाई,
दिस इज वन ऑफ द अमेजिंग 2-seater cars of BMW series. This is Z4 2020 model, 2022 model. This is petrol, top variant, M40i.
Wow.
This is only 8,500 kilometers driven.
wow.
Very less driven, and you can see the condition of the car inside and outside the car. You can check how beautiful this car is.
अमेजिंग।
And another one thing for this car is it has got a loadings worth somewhere around 6 lakhs. That is plus.
रुपए की लोडिंग भी आपको इस BM पर मिलती है। इट्स अ सिंगल ओनर,
It's a single owner car, sir.
क्या बात है। तो एक बार देख सकते हैं
UP registration for those who stay in Noida, Greater Noida. They have got the adjacent areas. They belong to the adjacent areas. Much more better car for everyone.
क्या बात है। अमेजिंग कंडीशन में बीस्ट BMW Z4, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डिमांडिंग कन्वर्टेबल, सॉफ्ट टॉप कन्वर्टेबल 2-door 2-seater आज आपके लिए M Sport वेरिएंट अवेलेबल है यू ड्राइव मी क्रेजी से। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द प्राइस सर।
और इसका प्राइस पॉइंट रहेगा सर 1.02 CR.
1
करोड़ 2 लाख।
राइट, 1.02 CR में नेगोशिएबल प्राइस के साथ ये है BMW Z4 आपके लिए। आइए सर, लेट्स मूव टू द हायर सेगमेंट, मतलब वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव कार कह सकते हैं, वन ऑफ द रेयरेस्ट कार भी कह सकते हैं। जी सर।
So this is Lamborghini Urus 2022 model. So first of all, without telling you the information of this car, I would like to tell you this is the fastest supercar, SUV supercar, not just a supercar, SUV supercar. SUV supercars मतलब सर जितने भी SUV cars है उन सबसे fastest ये है. Goes 0 to 100 in 5 seconds, 5.1 seconds. So talking about the information of the car, the details of the car, this is a 2022 registration car, only 4,500 kilometer driven, West Bengal number sir. This is in very good condition and it is also has got some paid options. When you buy a Lamborghini, you would see that they will provide you a farm. तो उसमें आपको पेड
Loadings.
ऑप्शंस लिखने होते हैं.
Loadings,
Exactly.
right.
So it has also, I'm not pretty sure how much worth the loading are, but again, this is a Lamborghini. Obviously, the person who have bought it have fully loaded it as well.
फैक्ट
Exactly. So this is a very less driven car, 4,500 kilometer only.
वाओ, अमेजिंग कार. एंड सीरियसली गाइस, इस ब्रांड को आप जब देखते हैं तो ये बड़ी नेक्स्ट लेवल की क्रिएटिविटी होती है. Lamborghini Urus, फास्टेस्ट, पावरफुल, मस्कुलर लुक, अमेजिंग
Yeah.
रोड प्रेजेंस, सब कुछ है इस गाड़ी के अंदर. जो कुछ आप देखना चाहते हैं, ये गाड़ी अभी यहाँ से भी बाहर निकलेगी ना तो 100 नहीं, 1000 नहीं, लाखों लोग इसको पलट
सबका
के
attraction ही देखेगी.
एग्जैक्टली. तो आज ये Lamborghini Urus आपके लिए अवेलेबल है You Drive Me Crazy पे. जस्ट ड्रिवन 4,500
4,500
एंड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द प्राइस सर.
We have kept the price for 465, and again negotiable. A little, not that much. We have the prices are like that. See, sir, the prices are like
4.65
that.
CR में we
If
have
you would see that,
Lamborghini Urus.
the car new one is for 610, but you have to wait a lot for to get a new car,
Exactly.
something like this.
चलिए.
So that is with the rear cars.
आइए, ऐसे ही अमेजिंग रेयरेस्ट बहुत ही अमेजिंग कलेक्शन दिखने वाले हैं. एंड थर्ड ऑप्शन की बात करते हैं. दिस इज अगेन अ वेरी एक्सक्लूसिव कार.
ये आपने this is the most rarest car you would find in the market. The reason is because of the engine. It has got a supercharged engine, not a naturally aspirated engine. This is Jaguar XKR 2012 model. This is 38,000 kilometers driven. 12 मॉडल है, उसके हिसाब से खाली 38,000 किलोमीटर चली है, जो बहुत कम होती है.
एंड लेट मी टेल यू द कंफ्यूजन. आपको ये ब्लैक कलर लग रहा होगा.
हाँ.
फ्रेम में भी, कैमरे
Frame
में
में
भी
भी
ये
black
ब्लैक
color
कलर ही
लग
लग
रहा
रहा होगा. बट दिस इज नॉट द ब्लैक वन,
This is
राइट?
an emerald green color.
क्या
You can
बात
check it out how emerald green color looks like. So this has been painted recently. We have put a peelable paint on this. This is actually
Wow.
a white car, but we have put a peelable paint on this for making it more rare in the
Wow.
market. And behind the bonnet of this car, you would see a
Carbon.
5-liter engine with V8.
Wow.
And it has got a supercharged engine, not a
Supercharged.
naturally aspirated.
V8 supercharged engine, guys, amazing. बहुत रेयर है. SKR नहीं देखने को मिलेगी
नहीं
आपको.
देखने को
XKR
मिलेगी, और
market.
ऐसी कलर में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं देखने को
Right.
मिलेगी.
तो सर डील की बात करते हैं.
So अगर इसका प्राइस देखेंगे, we have kept the same price after coloring it as well. We have kept the same price, that is 51 lakhs.
51 lakh
Yeah.
rupees में very exclusive, very rare product.
You can compare this one with the Mustang. This has got the like power of a Mustang GT. You
Exactly.
can completely compare it to that car.
चलिए गाइस, तो एक्सक्लूसिव कलेक्शन के साथ साथ आपको रनिंग प्रोडक्ट्स भी दिखाते
बिल्कुल.
रहेंगे जो कि हमेशा से यू ड्राइव मी क्रेजी के पास होते हैं. जी सर.
This is BMW 5 Series 530D M Sport. This is again the M Sport top variant of BMW.
Right.
This is a diesel car, 19 registration. It has got the second owner. The car is driven 62,000 kilometers.
Okay.
It has got a service package BMW till next year as well.
Wow.
So if you are gonna take it, that means till next year you have to maintain it like for free. So that is
Wow.
the thing about this particular car, and you will see that this is, we can say, for those people who like luxury plus power as well, because it is very comfortable inside. You sit inside it, it is very much comfortable. So 62,000 kilometer driven, we are asking 41 lakhs for this car.
41 lakh rupees for this beast, जहाँ पर आपको power and comfort you get at the same time. This is BMW M Sport variant.
530D M Sport.
चलिए सर इधर आ जाइए.
So obviously this is the Mercedes again. We don't have to introduce Mercedes. Everyone knows the luxuriness of the Mercedes.
Right.
So this is an E-Class E200. This is 17 model. आपको लग रहा है 17 मॉडल है?
नहीं
चमक
लग
देखो
रहा
कैसे
है.
रहा
मैं
है.
वही कह रहा हूँ सर. आप कलेक्शन देखेंगे. बीट आपने 2012 देखी है अभी. बीट आप 2017 देख रहे हैं.
पेट्रोल है ये.
डिफरेंस
2017
नहीं देखने को मिलेगा. गाड़ी में गाड़ी वेल मेंटेन के साथ साथ
Inside and outside.
दोनों तरफ
Inside and
से.
outside, this is well maintained. This is only 59,000 kilometer driven, and we are asking 39.99 lakh for this car.
39 lakh 99,000 में
For
we are
this car.
giving you Mercedes E200 petrol variant.
Yeah, petrol
आइए, again we are showing you a very exclusive product.
So among all these cars, to be very honest, this is my favorite car in the showroom. There are the reasons, because it has got an engine of BMW. This looks like M5. People would feel in the video this looks like M5, but let me correct you. As उसमें मैंने कितनी लोडिंग बताई थी आपको?
Approximately 6 lakhs.
It has got a loading of 30 lakhs.
30 lakhs. 30 लाख कह
It
रहे
has
हैं.
got a complete body kit of M5. It has got the on the front grille. This is a carbon fiber. You
Carbon
would see
fiber.
the carbon fiber mirror. You will see the carbon fiber spoiler, and the alloys are for 7.5 lakhs. All of them.
सो ये ओरिजिनल गाड़ी कौन सी है हमारे व्यूअर्स?
ये ओरिजिनल गाड़ी है 530i पेट्रोल.
my God.
Yes, 2020 model, 35,000 kilometer driven, and the color is also peelable in this. This is not the exact color of the car. The car is in grey color, and this is a peelable paint, and this is an inspiration from a Lamborghini.
Wow.
The name of the color is Viola Beast. Viola Beast, the name
क्या
of the
बात
color. Exactly.
बहुत अमेजिंग. पूरे शोरूम में ये गाड़ी खड़ी हुई एक अलग से ही ग्रेस दे रही है.
Arun bhai, this has been tuned as well. It has been tuned as well. The engine has been
33
tuned.
lakhs की लोडिंग्स 530i में देखने को नहीं
इसमें
मिलती
सर
है.
मून राइफिंग भी आपको मिल जाएगी. You sit inside, you would feel different inside as
Wow,
well. 64 colors, you can change it according
Ambient
to your
lighting, right.
yeah ambient light. Not the ambient lightning. Ambient lightning is different. The moon lightning
Okay,
on the
the-
roof.
the
roof
roof
light.
lights, okay.
Exactly, roof light.
Wow.
So this is a very rare car. Again, sir, this is my favorite car in terms of power as well. It has got the Borla tips.
Oh.
Exhaust aproplic, but tips are of Borla. So that's
Wow.
for sure. So that pop sound you will see every time when you rev it. That's for sure.
Wow, amazing. Let's talk about the price, sir.
So the price for this car we have kept 65 lakh.
65 लाख रुपीस में 33 लाख रुपीस की लोडिंग्स आपको गाड़ी के साथ
30
मिलती
लाख
हैं.
रुपीस loadings,
हाँ,
yeah.
अप्रोक्सीमेटली 30 लाख रुपीस की आपको लोडिंग्स मिलती हैं. ऐसा ऐसा कलेक्शन ही आपको अभी दिखने वाला है. तो
This is a
वीडियो
very
पर
rare car.
बने रहिए बिल्कुल.
Very rare car in the market. Very
चलिए,
rare car.
आइए सर, बहुत कलेक्शन है तो रैप अप करते हैं जल्दी
So
जल्दी.
again, here comes the Mercedes. This is again an E-Class, but the difference is that is E200. This is E350D diesel.
वही
This is
section.
2021 model. This is an AMG line, which is the
Okay.
top variant. I'll
Right.
tell you the difference between that and this car. And this is only 10,000 kilometer driven, which is
Oh.
very less.
Very less.
Only 10,000 kilometer driven. This E-Class E350D. This is a top variant AMG line. So, रुन भाई आप एक डिफरेंस देख सकते हैं इसके अलॉय में और इसके अलॉय में,
बहुत फर्क है.
इसके फ्रंट ग्रिल में और इसके फ्रंट ग्रिल में.
बहुत
दिस
फर्क
इज
है.
एन AMG line.
Exactly.
Exactly. So the alloys, the front grille, the tires, the headlights, it would be different as compared to normal E-Class
Wow.
because of the AMG line,
AMG
which is the
line.
top line of the Mercedes. And this 10,000 kilometer drive, which I have told you, and the price point for this car is 73.50 lakh.
क्या बात है. 73 लाख
And this
50,000.
price is almost fixed.
ऑलमोस्ट फिक्स.
Almost fixed.
तो आप सोच
Yeah.
सकते हैं मतलब इस गाड़ी की कंडीशन देख के आप अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं. प्लस जो AMG लाइन होने के बाद इसका प्राइस ब्रैकेट बहुत ही ज़्यादा फिक्स कर दिया गया है. तो आप आइए एक बार देखेंगे.
बिल्कुल
तभी
पसंद
आपको
आएगी.
अंदाज़ा होगा कि किस तरह के प्रोडक्ट जो है यू ड्राइव मी क्रेजी डिलीवर करता है और आपके लिए लेके आता है.
I
आइए एक
just
और
want to ask you now, after seeing this car, what do you think? Which model would be this car?
द कंडीशन वाइज मुझे लग रहा है 2017-18 में भी 20 हो सकता है. बिकॉज जो मैंने 12 मॉडल देखे हैं तो
बिल्कुल.
उसके बाद तो मुझे लगना
ये
ही
भी
बंद है.
12 मॉडल ही है.
अरे बाप.
This is a
This is
BMW.
also again a 2012 model.
Yeah.
Oops. See the condition, guys.
650i BMW petrol. The thing is, it has also got a V8 engine.
V8 engine.
That is the entire story of this car.
Wow.
V8 engine is a lifelong engine. You can keep it for 50 years. That is the speciality of a V8 engine. Twin turbo BMW V8 engine inside the bonnet. You see the condition of the car inside the leather of the
Amazing.
car. This is only 22,000 kilometer driven,
Wow.
single owner. And that too, it's not a normal 650i, this is a convertible 650i.
Convertible
Again,
650i.
you would
Okay.
find another BMW which is convertible. Yeah.
So अभी तक जितने कलेक्शन हमने आपको दिखाए उसमें से 2-3 कलेक्शन तो ऐसे हैं जो हार्डली आपने प्री ऑन पे देखे होंगे. We talk about this one.
Convertible बहुत
XKR.
रेयर है, बहुत रेयर है.
वेरी रेयर प्रोडक्ट.
Convertible बहुत rare है.
Z4 आपने देखी होगी, बहुत उरुस भी देख ली होगी, बट दिस वन इज वेरी रेयर.
Yeah, this one is very rare.
So-
Very rare.
लेस ड्रिवन है. 12 मॉडल के मुकाबले अगर हम मतलब किलोमीटर्स को कंपेयर करेंगे तो
22,000 किलोमीटर.
एवरेज भी गाड़ी नहीं चली
Yeah.
है इतनी ब्रांड न्यू कंडीशन.
This is original. You see this paint? Nothing has been refurbished. Not on this car, not on every car on the showroom. Nothing
Wow.
has been refurbished.
चलिए प्राइस ब्रैकेट की बात करते हैं सर.
If we see the price, this car was at that time, if we would see the ex-showroom price, this was for 1.20 CR.
ओके.
But we have kept the price for 45 lakh. And the price is fixed. Not almost fixed, the price is fixed for this car.
45 lakh rupees for this convertible
Yeah.
2-door 4-seater
V8 engine.
convertible V8 engine BMW 650i.
Petrol.
वाओ. सो गाइस हमारे नेक्स्ट स्लॉट में है आपके लिए प्रॉपर फुल साइज 7-सीटर SUVs. Also will show you 5-सीटर SUVs. Also we have compact SUV segment as well.
Yeah.
So let's talk
So
about
this is the
GLS.
almighty Mercedes-Benz GLS 400D Matic. That is a four-wheel drive.
Right.
Exactly. This is 2020 model. Again, इसके साथ आपको सर्विस पैकेज और वारंटी पैकेज दोनों मिल जाएंगे
क्या
with
बात
Mercedes itself. This is 55,000 kilometers driven. And this is a very muscular car. Apart from all this 7-seater car X7 Volvo, this looks very huge on the road.
Exactly.
Again, exactly. And the price we have kept for this car is I have to check.
How much?
I have to check.
I have to check.
Exactly, because this has been recently got over here, so we have to check about the car.
नो प्रॉब्लम
Yeah.
इसके लिए आप जो स्क्रीन पर नंबर चल रहे हैं उन नंबर्स पर रीच आउट कर सकते हैं, आपको इनकी सारी डिटेल्स प्रोवाइड की जाएगी। अब एक्सक्लूसिव कलेक्शन पे ही हम आते हैं, क्योंकि Q5 हमने आपको इसके अलावा बहुत कलर्स में दिखाई होगी,
बिल्कुल।
बट दिस वन इज वेरी रेयर।
There are only 3 to 4 colors of this Q5 in Delhi NCR because of the rarity of the color.
एग्जैक्टली।
And this is a 2023 model, 28,000 kilometer driven, Quattro, which is a four-wheel drive,
Right.
petrol car. This is a very beautiful car to drive. If you're looking for a complete SUV car, 5-seater SUV car,
Right.
this is a very beautiful car. And they have completely changed the technology of the Audi. If you would see that from before 2020, they have completely changed it. Before
Wow.
2020, it was something different. After 2020, they have proved themselves why Audi is the best in India. Exactly.
अमेजिंग। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द प्राइस।
The price for this car is 58.
58
lakh. Yeah, exactly.
58 lakh rupees for this Audi Q5 petrol variant.
The 1 year has not been completed yet.
See the condition.
Somewhere around 10 months.
Right. So now we have one of the most world's safest brands.
Safest brand.
Volvo
Exactly.
XC90 we have.
One of the safest cars, one of the safest brand, and plus one of the best speaker systems.
Right.
Bowers and Vulcans inside it.
Exactly.
26 speakers you will find. आगे ही आप देखिए कितने speaker होंगे इसके.
Right.
This is a very good in terms of sound. Plus, you will get a massaging seat inside it. You will get the ventilated seat
Ventilated
inside
seats.
it. There are a lot of additional features, plus things in the Volvo.
Right.
So this is a 2021 model. This is diesel, if you would see that, and this is only 26,000 kilometer driven, and the price we have kept it for 7450.
7450 and this
Yeah.
one is inscription, right?
Yeah, this one is inscription exactly.
So top of
This
the
one
line
is
model
top of the
आपके
line.
लिए, right.
Yes, that's why
चलिए।
you are getting those additional things on side the car.
राइट। सो गाइस, जब ये ब्रांड आता है तो बात होती है डिजाइन स्टेटमेंट
Designs
की,
की,
क्योंकि
exactly.
पोर्शा काम करता है अपनी डिजाइन लैंग्वेज पे। इतने अल्टीमेट डिजाइन होते हैं, मतलब गाड़ी रोड पर चलते हुए अलग से ही पता लग जाता है।
अलग से ही पता चल जाती है। पुरानी से पुरानी पोर्शे भी होगी, हमारे पास 2013 मॉडल काइन भी खड़ी है, ऐसी आप देखना
ऐसे
कैसी
ही
है। बहुत
मतलब
सुंदर है,
इनकी
बहुत
हेडलैम्प्स
सुंदर
की जो शेप है ना, वो कभी चेंज ही नहीं हुई। बीट आप मकैन देखेंगे, बीट आप पैनामेरा देखेंगे,
है। बीट आप काइन देखेंगे, केमन देखेंगे, कोई सी
सब
भी।
जगह आपको स्टैंडर्ड यही मिलता है। जी सर।
I would like to tell one more important thing about this car, not this car, the Porsche, to the viewers and to you as well. Porsche की गाड़ी जब आप लेते हो ना on road, नई गाड़ी, ये आपको रॉ देते हैं। रॉ in the sense,
एग्जैक्टली।
this mirror is not even foldable.
बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हैं। एवरीथिंग इसके अंदर, हर एक चीज जो लगी होगी ना, दैट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ
That's a part of a loading. Sport chrono is installed it. That's a part of loading. Foldable mirrors are inside on the car. That's a part of loading.
Wow.
So again, that is the Porsche. That's the way Porsche deal their cars. That's the way Porsche make their cars. That's why they are so big in name. And it has got a 3-liter engine,
वाओ।
6-cylinder 3-liter. This is petrol 2019.
ओके।
49,000 kilometer driven, and we have kept the price for 95 lakh.
95 lakh rupees for this beast.
And this is, to be very honest, I feel the most better coupe SUV car.
वाओ।
Exactly.
लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द बीस्ट ना।
Yeah.
जैगुआर
Yeah,
को
we
कैसे पीछे छोड़ सकते हैं?
जैगवार को पैसे,
और-
जैगवार इसीलिए सर मोस्टली ज़्यादा चला. The reason was the engine inside
The
it,
engine.
which is evergreen,
Right.
always the evergreen engine. You take XJL, how beautiful that car is. That will
Ultra-
never. That has
ultra
been
like.
stopped. That has been stopped. But again, people want that car to get back into the market because of
Right.
the power of the car, because of the look of the car. That is the most luxurious car
Luxurious
of
car.
the
Exactly.
Jaguar. That's for sure.
चलिए।
So this is F-Pace 2019 diesel model, and if you would see that the running of this car, it's 62,000 kilometers. This is
Okay.
62,000 kilometer driven, and it has got an ambient lighting inside it. You would see that in 2018-17 Jaguar F-Pace doesn't have any sort of ambient lighting or anything inside it, but they have provided it, which you can change it according to your mood.
Right.
Exactly. So the price point, if you would see for this car, is 38.50, 38,50,000.
50,000 में guys हम आपको दे रहे हैं Jaguar F-Pace लेडर शेप एंड चलिए guys बात करते हैं इस खूबसूरत
लोगों से ही
गाड़ी
समझ
की।
आ गया होगा कि which car we are
ये
now
जो
going to
चीज
talk about.
राइट आई वाज
Yes,
टॉकिंग अबाउट
exactly.
दिस वन कि जब आप ये देखते हैं तो दिमाग में एक ही आता है कि यहाँ पर मर्सिडीज का रुतबा आगे खत्म हो जाता है, इससे आगे कुछ नहीं है
Mercedes में इससे आगे कुछ है नहीं,
Maybach
इससे
है।
आगे भी है, but again that is 580. This is 560,
Right.
S560.
मतलब Maybach-
Then we have got another Maybach that
Right.
is X5 S580. There are small differences on the car, but again this is a Maybach, almighty Maybach. This is again you would see that this is a black color from the camera, but this is a ruby black color. You see that Arun bhai texture on the
Right.
car? That is a little ruby-ish and blackish color on the car.
Okay.
So this is a very beautiful car, 18 model car, 70,000 kilometer driven. It has got the Airmatic inside it,
राइट
inside the car. Finding a Airmatic on the long wheelbase, it's very difficult.
rare,
Yes,
right.
exactly. So if you would see the car, it has got a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine.
वाओ
That is very powerful.
And again-
no, this is a V8 engine. Sorry, not only
V8.
yeah. This is not V6. This is V8. This is a V8 engine. And लग्जरी की बात करें तो आप इसमें एक बारी बैठ के देखिए, you would feel the luxury inside the car.
मर्सिडीज जब नाम आता है तो हमेशा एक बात आती
You
है
can sleep
comfort.
inside the car. You
Comfort.
don't have to get into the house. You can sleep inside the car as well.
Ventilated seats,
Ventilated
reclining
seats,
seats, you'll get
massaging
entertainment
seats,
seat, massager
everything
seat,
is inside the
each and
car.
everything you'll get on the rear seat. Ultra luxury flagship sedan of Mercedes.
And it has got a choice pay. It has got a number as well.
Wow.
Good number. 4321.
4321.
MH registration. Yeah.
Again,
MH
a very
registration.
fancy, or you can
Yeah.
say it's a VIP number. Fancy number, you can say.
Yeah, fancy
4321,
number we
right.
can say exactly. People who are eager of fan, we have got a lot of cars which have got a fancy number.
Right.
इसका भी fancy number है X4 का, Z4 का जो हमने किया 0303.
Wow.
So
तो चलिए guys.
obviously you would feel that good things about the car, which are the quality of the car. Every car is very well maintained inside the showroom. So if you would see 2017 model, 2018 model Maybach, only driven 70,000 kilometer. The asking for this car is 1.05.
1.05 CR for this Maybach S class, क्योंकि आज आपके लिए अवेलेबल है यू ड्राइव मी क्रेजी पे. एंड गाइस वीडियो यहाँ पर एंड नहीं हुई है.
बिल्कुल.
दिस इज जस्ट पार्ट 1 जो हमने आपको शोरूम के अंदर दिखाया जितना स्टॉक था. अब हम चलते हैं शोरूम के बाहर, बिकॉज वहाँ पर भी बहुत कुछ है.
We just
दिखाने को.
recently occupied that space in January.
Right.
We just had this much of space. Now we occupied that
Right.
space of
तो
the.
पहले आपने हमेशा यहीं पर वीडियो देखी होंगी, बट
बिल्कुल.
नाउ हम आपको दूसरी जगह भी दिखाते हैं.
Obviously, Uraimi Crazy is growing immensely. Like people which are following, which are supporting us. So that is the entire reason we wanted to provide the best to the Indian market.
तो
That
चलिए.
is the best thing.
वेट नहीं कराते हैं, चलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट स्टॉक की तरफ. सो गाइस, स्टॉक की कमी यहाँ भी नहीं होने वाली है. बहुत अमेजिंग स्टॉक दिखाएंगे. लेटेस्ट शेप BMW X7 आपके लिए.
This is the almighty X7, all new X7 2023. Very less driven, and to be very honest, it has been booked. कल आई और कल ही बुक हो गई.
तो ये तो सोल्ड हो चुकी है, तो इसके बारे में बात ही नहीं करते हैं. चलिए भाई, कोई बात
Then
नहीं.
we have got the Jelly over here. We have got the Range Rover. You would see a lot of Range Rover with us. Inside there was another Range Rover Sport. This is another Range Rover Sport.
लेट्स टॉक ओवर द डिटेल.
This is an 2018 model, 37,000 kilometers driven.
And price?
75.
75. We have another Jaguar XF.
This is an F-Pace.
F पे सॉरी.
चलो इसको कंटिन्यू करो, ये पिछली वाली ही थी.
वीकेंड अच्छा. सो सेडान में आते हैं. हमारे पास है Jaguar के दो ऑप्शन.
Exactly. XE Prestige 2019 model diesel. The asking is for 27 lakh. Then we shift on to the one and only Jaguar XF. There are only 3 models of this in India,
ओके.
and one is with us, and that is the only one in our India.
वाओ.
This is for 35 lakhs. 2015 model diesel, 35 lakhs.
लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस BMW X1.
So as you saw the X7, this is the X1. We have got the X3, we have got the X4, we have got the X5, and we have got the X6. So all of the X series are available at You Drive Me Crazy, which is the very first time you would see in the dealership. All
Right.
X series are available at the same time.
वाओ. चलिए.
So this is an 2020 model BMW, and the price for this car is 29 lakhs.
आइए आपको पूरा ऑडी का सेगमेंट दिखाते हैं, बिकॉज गाड़ियों की कमी नहीं है.
बिल्कुल गाड़ियों की कमी नहीं है.
इट्स ऑडी Q3.
18 model Audi Q3 है, 95,000 kilometer driven, asking is for 20 lakhs.
20 lakhs.
Yes, that is the basics which I was telling you. 20 लाख से शुरू होती है. This is the basic.
This one,
exactly.
Okay.
So this is
यहाँ
an
से sir.
Audi A6 2020. This is TFSI. This is a newer shape.
Right.
So the older shape we have got this one. This is a newer shape. If you would see the car, this is 46,000 kilometer driven petrol car, UP number 1900 इसका number है sir. This is a very good car, 46,000 kilometer driven. Asking is for 44 lakhs.
चलिए, we have another Audi A6.
A6. This is a 19 one. This is the older one.
Right.
This is the newer
latest
facelift.
one,
Exactly, the latest one, the latest shape. This is the older shape. You would find a different thing inside the car and outside the car as well. This is 80,000 kilometer driven. This is HR number diesel, and the asking is for 2650.
2650.
Yeah, 80,000 kilometers.
Then
driven.
another Audi A6 in white color.
Exactly, another Audi A6 2020. This is but the previous shape. Again, this is 2020. This is also 80,000 kilometers driven. This is single owner,
And the
HP
price?
registration, 80,000 kilometer, and the price is 26, which is a
20.
very best price for this car.
Very nice. We have
Then we have got an
Mercedes.
S-Class over here. This is a 19 model S-Class. This is very less driven, and the price for this car is 79.
Wow. हमारी all time favorite, one of the most demanding SUV.
Exactly.
Toyota
He just
Fortuner.
recently arrived. Just recently arrived.
So details.
Details I can tell you. This is a 2022 model. This is very less driven, somewhere around 20,000 kilometers.
Right.
And the asking for this car is 35 lakhs.
Wow. Audi.
Yes, this is the most we can say the basic car we are having right now. This is A4
Right.
diesel. Running is 1 lakh kilometers.
Okay.
It has been driven a little longer, but you can see the condition of the car. This is very new. This is a 14 model diesel, 1 lakh kilometers driven, and the asking is for 7 lakhs.
7 lakh rupees. One of the cheapest
Car at You Drive Me Crazy.
You Drive Me Crazy.
Exactly.
Then last but not the least, we have two Mini Coopers.
Two Mini Coopers.
Hard top and soft top. as well.
Soft top as well. We have another hard top as well, but maybe that has been sent to a client.
Okay.
Exactly. So this is a 14 model Mini Cooper. That is this is also less driven, not that much. This is
Okay.
also less driven. I had to check it on the details for once, but this car is for 19 lakhs.
19 lakh rupees for hard top, two-door,
Two-door.
four-seater.
Yeah,
Then
exactly.
आ जाते हैं
Then
soft top.
this is a soft top convertible. This is very less driven, only 16,000 kilometers driven. Single owner, petrol, and the plus point for this car is has got loadings again with
Wow.
somewhere around 3, 4, 5 lakhs. Because it has got a JCW kit, it has got a JCW exhaust,
Wow.
it has got a JCW steering, and it's been tuned as well under JCW. So Mini Cooper lover who understand what Mini Cooper is, this is a JCW tuned Mini Cooper along with the JCW body kit.
Wow.
Yes.
Amazing. And the price bracket is
Price bracket for this is 45.
45 लाख
Very-
रुपीस. So guys,
45
कलेक्शन की कमी नहीं है यहाँ पर. You Drive Me Crazy पर आइए एक बार.
बिल्कुल.
More than 40 कार्स आपको एट ए टाइम मिलने वाली हैं, जो कि रहने वाली है एक्सक्लूसिव कलेक्शन You Drive Me Crazy से. आज के लिए रखते हैं इतना ही. होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी.
बिल्कुल.
तो थैंक यू सो मच भाई.
Thank you so much, अरुण भाई. बिल्कुल,
थैंक यू
बिल्कुल.
सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग गाइस. अगर
Thank you
वीडियो
so much,
पसंद आए
guys.
लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट कीजिए.